Automation isn't about replacing you, it's about supporting you. Hi, I'm Wendley from Debimmer Relief Net, and today we're taking a calm, clear look at automation, what it really means, and how it can support your life or business, not confuse it. Especially if you're over 50 and feeling like the tech world is sprinting while you're just trying to walk steadily. This is for you. Let's strip away the hype. Automation isn't robots taking over. It's simply using tools to take care of repeat tasks, so you can focus on what matters. Think about when you set a coffee maker to brew in the morning. That's automation. Or when your phone backs up your photos without asking. That's automation. In business, it's scheduling emails, auto-sending invoices, or organizing customer notes without you doing each step manually. It's not magic. It's not scary. It's support. You're likely already using automation every day. Email filters that send newsletters into folders? That's automation. Online banking alerts when bills are due? Also automation. GPS rerouting to avoid traffic? Yep, automation. The point is, you don't have to understand the code to benefit from the system. You just need to know the tool is there to help and how to press the right buttons. Great automation doesn't scream, it just works. The best tools don't make you feel dumb, they give you back time. Modern platforms are getting simpler, more intuitive, and more human-friendly, especially for those of us who didn't grow up with tech. You're not behind. You're just waiting for the right guide. And that's what we're building here. So if automation has ever made you feel overwhelmed, I want you to hear this. It's not about replacing your work. It's about supporting your work, calmly, quietly, and effectively. You deserve that support. Click the link below to keep learning, at your pace and on your terms.